Epic Originals presents Adventure Kingdom, Book 3, Trains, Tales, and Traders. Written by Steve Fox, illustrated by Pedro Rodriguez, performed by Todd Habercorn and Taylor Meskimen.
Still getting the salt water out of your gears, eh, Luna?
Those awful children bested me, but not before I toyed with the boy's mind. He fears betrayal above all else, but he doesn't know the monkey's secrets.
Those kids got no idea who Eddie really is. Keep your friends close, keep your enemies closer, right? Sit down, kid. You know this train is moving, right?
Relax, Eddie. We're on a roll. We've outsmarted Hogswallop and Looney Luna. The Iron King clearly doesn't stand a chance against Clarkside 07 and pals.
First off, I'm not and pals. Second, we barely got away from the fortune teller. And third, we duck.
Okay, fine. I'll admit that was a close one. And exactly the kind of thrill my followers are all about.
You won't have followers if you don't pay attention. Adventure Kingdom isn't like our world.
Can you two save this argument for later? We're not alone.
Yeah, dangers! Dangers!
Easy now. We aren't looking for a fight.
Oh, we're not fighters.
We're performers. It's the Ringling Way.
Hey, I've heard of these guys. They're, what do you call it? A traveling circus.
The Ringling exhibition of worry-free glee welcomes you to the top of our quickly moving train. You're in luck. We're about to pull into our next stop. Just stay put.
Honestly, the whole worry-free glee thing is kind of my brand.
They're cute, but something feels off. Whoa!
Yeah.
We're stopping.
The whole train's opening like a box.
Guys?
Oh, come one, come all, to the Ringling exhibition of worry-free glee.
I think our train just turned into a circus.
Wow, these ringlings are amazing.
And no one here is trying to ring-a-ling my neck. Big improvement over the boardwalk. Ta-da!
I'll admit it. This is pretty cool. But where's the audience?
Oh, yes. With all the nasty business happening in Adventure Kingdom these days, audiences can be a bit shy at first. But please, have a seat and enjoy the show. Your fellow audience members will trickle in.
Clark, I think something is wrong here. The Iron King
Is nowhere in sight. Besides, what's the worst that can happen?
elsewhere.
Orville, we need you and your boys to track down a little problem for us. A magic coin that's gone missing.
Hogswallop, is that you? I told your boss that the organ grinders don't run errands.
This problem involves an old friend of yours, though. A rat named Eddie.
We're in.
Eddie, all these villagers look scared.
Welcome to life under the Iron King, kid. Can't even enjoy a show without worrying about who will crash it.
Oh, did you mention the Iron King?
Yes, we're looking for the Grand Jerome, and, well, actually, a pretty evil robot said we could find him in a hall of mirrors.
The Ringlings don't pick sides.
But your audience is terrified? If your goal is to spread joy, then you have to stand against the Iron King.
You don't know what it's like to...
Oh, this is bad. This is real bad. We need to hide. Oh, don't mind us. We're just here for the show. We heard there's some special guests. One with a shiny little coin.
The show's no good. No one has fallen or broken anything.
Go on, Marbles. Show 'em what you think.
Please, please. We have no stake in this war. Take the child's coin and leave us alone.
It really is you, Eddie. It's been a long time.
Oh, no. Are these more of your old pals, Eddie?
We're the organ grinders. I'm Orville. These lungheads are Lenny and Marbles. We ride under the flag of the Iron King, and Eddie here was our little spy. He was slippery enough to trick the Grand Jerome into trusting him. Our monkey on the inside.
Eddie, is this true?
It's not what it sounds like. I didn't...
It's a yes or no question, Eddie. Is it true?
Yes, but wait, kid. There's more to it, honest. My story ain't that simple. Double cross, triple cross, little Eddie can't keep his loyalties straight. Caroline, watch out! Please, kid. I may have started as a spy, but I was loyal to your grandfather. I'm not with these zoo rejects. Not anymore.
I don't know if I can trust you, Eddie, but this town and the Ringlings need us, and so does Clark. So let's call a truce for now. You can explain later.
Knew I shouldn't have let my guard down. Not again. Never again.
That's for sure. Oopsie.
I gotcha, kid.
Why did you save me, Eddie? Are you going to betray me later? Like you did Jerome?
I didn't betray the Grand Jerome, kid. I betrayed these goons. Who are you calling a goon, Eddie?
Oh, no. This tent is, so heavy.
Maybe we could breathe easier if we didn't have a traitor in here sucking up all the oxygen.
This is my fault. I thought if they took your magic coin, they'd leave us alone.
You were willing to turn over children?
I'm sorry. I was scared. I didn't know what else to do.
We all make mistakes. What matters is what you do afterward.
Whatever we're going to do, we better do it soon. Those apes are still out there.
If you give me a chance, I can fix this mess. And then I can explain everything. Quick, I'll distract them while you two get to the cannons. You overgrown brutes want the coin? Then come and pry it from my paws.
Wait, what?
Let's clobber this chimp.
Hurry, let's take out their rides. Eddie, duck!
Bumper cars! Quick, you dullards, stop the girl! I'll get Eddie. You don't have a friend left in this or any other world, Eddie. I may have to earn their trust back, but my friends haven't gone anywhere, which is more than I can say for yours, Orville. You little...
Not so fast! The only people allowed to thwomp Eddie right now are me and Caroline.
Oh, that monkey is gonna pay for this. Here's your coin back. If you want, I can stay behind and...
Eddie, we're not leaving without you. We'll all stay and help clean up, right, Clark?
I kinda wanna throw Eddie in the cage too, but he did help save us all back there. If you say there's more to your story, you've earned a chance to tell it.
Then we'll show this town a real Ringling production.
And take all three of you to the Hall of Mirrors. It's the least we can do.
Where are these goons going?
The middle of nowhere. Let them walk back to civilization.
What about my story?
Tell it while we work. Then we'll really give you a chance.
It all started when I was just a baby monkey.
All right, that is the end of our story. On the next slide, you're going to answer a couple of questions about our plot.